Hello friends, welcome to the new episode of Business Plans and Ideas. In this video, I'm going to discuss in detail about slipper manufacturing business, investment details and profitability. Before we get started, please make sure you have subscribed the channel and press the bell icon to get similar business related videos. Slippers are commonly used in every household, mostly made by rubber. Slippers are being used for regular and rough use. With the increase in use of slippers, many manufacturers from different regions are setting up slipper making business. This is a profitable business and require comparatively less investment. For the machine's investment, you may have to spend for the sole cutting press, grinding machine, sole drilling machine, strap fitting machine and slipper printing machine. For the raw materials, you may have to spend for rubber sheet, slipper dies, packing box and slipper straps. You can start this business with minimum 400 to 600 square feet area. Initially you can start with 1 or 2 persons to help you on this business. For licenses, if it is a small setup, you require only GST registration. But if you are planning to do a big scale, then you may have to take GST registration and Udyog Aadhar as well. In the slipper making unit, you may have to consume 2 to 3 kilowatt electricity to operate all the machines. If you are working for 8 hours in a day, then you can make 1200 to 1500 slippers per day. So the production cost would comes around rupees 25 per piece. In the wholesale market, you can sell at rupees 60 and in retail market you can sell at rupees 100. In the slipper manufacturing business, you can expect 40 to 50% profitability. If you are looking for any specific business and wanted to check the investment or profit margin, then you can comment below so that I can do the research and make videos for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get similar business related videos. Thank you for watching.